Hey guys, welcome back to Greens and Browns, and this is Christina D'Souza, and I love to DIY. This time around I would be doing some fun festive DIYs. I know that I'm terribly late for this, my apologies, but I have been busy lately. I have some video that I had recorded. It's just that I didn't get to edit it and put it together. So the first DIY we would be doing, like mostly my daughter Crystal, so she has made a lot of beautiful paper stars for me. She has made it out of old books. And then she also did out of a poster paper. Like, luckily my friend had it and she gave it to us. Thank you so much. You know who you are, so thank you for those poster papers. And the stars turned out really brilliant, and it's something that doesn't hurt your budget. I mean, I love my tree. I mean, it looks simple, it looks beautiful. We use the same theme, like making stars all around the Christmas decor. I used it on the Christmas tree, and then I had like a tree branch in my front yard, just lying down after the storm, and I said I'm gonna get it in, put some Christmas tree lights, and we had the same stars hung on those too. Then I went ahead and did my fireplace the same way, using the stars that not the paper one. These are the paper ones, but these are flat ones made out of cardboard, and it turned out good. And the whole theme was like black and gold. I wanted to keep it very simple and yet exciting. So I mean, we had lots of fun doing this together. I'm pretty sure you guys will enjoy watching this, so do watch it to the end. The first one, like I said, was a star. The second one is how I did the fireplace out of I bought some candle stands from Dollar Tree, and I painted it gold and black, and then I made some candles. I mean, and the third one was I made this beautiful cushion cover. I mean, my daughter had this skirt from India. India, as you know, is like, this is the place that I come from, and it has a rich culture in terms of food, you name it, clothes, traditions, everything, you know. So this skirt is from India, and it's so beautiful. I didn't want to let go of it, so I decided to make a beautiful cushion cover. It's very simple, you know. You just mark it and you stitch along the mark size and just put your cushion in. It's as easy as that. So do watch my video, do give some love, like, share, and subscribe, and enjoy yourself and stay safe. Thank you, friends. Okay, we're gonna make a star for you guys. It's a very easy one, and my daughter Crystal will be helping me out with this paper. It's just a simple, you know, paper. You can do it out of any scrapbook.
Guys, to make this paper star, you need a piece of paper and a scissor. To start it off, you need to fold it in half. I try to make it perfect. The next step is you take this sort of point and connect it to about 2/3 of the side over here. So then once you get like a house looking shape, you flip it to the side, because you see this triangle here, right? And you crease the triangle on this side. And as you can see, you get another triangle. So we flip this side to this side, and we, well, crease it again. Make this fold like symmetrical to this one. So once you fold it, you end up with like a paper plane kind of looking thing. I mean, I don't know what paper planes I've been looking at, but this is what you get. So to get a perfect star, you cut it from here to here. If you want like a star with like short points, you make it a bit wider. Say like from here to here. But I got a star that's much steeper. because that's the kind of stars I like. Here is the almost finished star. As you can tell, it looks like it's missing something. So I have to fold the points, and then it will look like a beautiful star. To fold the points, you just like crease it where you can see the folds. Your first one may not come out perfectly, but that's fine, because once you get it, it'll be perfect almost every time. And this is our finished star. How does it look?
I got these beautiful candle stands from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be painting them black. I may also do a golden. I'm not sure at this point of time, like half and half, like do half of them black and then the other half golden. Let's see how it goes. Here is my fireplace, and I have to set this up right now. And here is my painted candle stands, and I'm gonna get started. Okay, so I have these beautiful stems, which I think I must have got it from Hobby Lobby or somewhere. I got it last year or the year before that. I'm gonna start out by just placing them. Nothing fancy. I want them at the edge. And then these simple ones, I'm going to cover these ones up. Trust me, it's very simple, and I don't want to go big, so it's very, very minimum. And I don't even have enough stems, so I have to play with what I have. And look, this is about it. It doesn't look bad. I have my candle stands over here, and literally I'm just gonna place them unevenly, like just to give you know, look at this. Look at it, how simple it looks. And I'm gonna be adding some white candles to it, which I also got from the Dollar Tree. I'm gonna try to shave it, or if it works out that way, I'm gonna add that. And if or not, I will just add them plain. But look at this. This looks very pretty. I will just add the garland out here. So I have these cute little tags ready, which my daughter did for me. And I have this, you know, piece of garland that fell off, and I'm gonna reuse this. I'm gonna cut off the branches and just add them, glue them over here. So I have my star ready, and I have some pre-cut strings, I mean jute strings. I'm gonna just add it over here as a tassel. I've already attached the string, I mean the tassels, and I'm gonna go ahead and attach this string out here, right over here, so I can, you know, tie it to my garland, this one. I'm gonna do that with all my stars and then catch you up.